At TRD USA, we have a whole series of cars based on the GR86 that we're going to run in what's called a single make series.
So this part right here is the fresh air intake on the GR86 cup, which is printed on the F370CR machine using Nylon CF10. The F370CR's throughput helps us meet our stringent timelines without sacrificing any dimensional quality. I've used a lot of different 3D printers in the past, and this is the easiest one I can say as far as the HMI and the printability. The dimensional stability is very good. Whenever we're printing parts on any of the Stratasys machines, they come out and they fit.